Hey everybody, welcome back. We are, oh gosh, I don't even know what day it is. June 3rd, June 4th, excuse me. But we've got a little surprise for one of our viewers. He knows about it, but this will be his first glimpse of what the surprise is for himself. So we're going to get some tractors fired up here and show you guys what we're working with. So check it out. So this is Tractor Hyatt's brand new, used 1938 case RC, and it has the unique Sunburst Grille in the front. You guys can see that. Try and get a close-up of it. But Connor was nice enough to go down to Iowa to pick this up for Hyatt. This is Hyatt's first tractor, and he's always wanted a case S or RC with a Sunburst Grille, and we just happened to see one pop up for sale. So we're going to be the caretakers of this tractor until Hyatt can make arrangements to get it down to Florida. But it runs actually pretty decent. Probably could use a little carburetor rebuild, but maybe take the magneto over to Rudy and have him take a look at it. But it runs pretty darn good. Yeah, it's definitely, I think it's definitely got some carburetor issues. I can hear it kind of missing a little bit. We got to snap a photo for the video. There we go. Do a quick walk around of it. A little bit of condensation inside the engine. I can tell because the crankcase breather has a A little bit of steam coming out of it. Do a real quick check on the oil pressure. Running about 20 psi, which is just fine.